What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from FBS to Binance. So you're looking for a way to basically withdraw your funds from FBS to your Binance account. Well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now the thing with FBS here, it supports different withdrawal methods in the app itself. But first, let's go open up the FBS app here, and we want to go to the funds section. Now, if you're going to go to the withdrawal page here and specifically look for Binance, it might not give you Binance specifically. But the thing with FBS here, it actually supports cryptocurrency. So regardless on what platform that you're trying to withdraw to, you can still use the platform itself to withdraw to your wallet. So first step that you need to do here is you want to get the wallet address for your Binance account. So maybe for like USDT or whatever cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So as an example, maybe you want to use Binance Coin here. So in this case, you want to look for Binance Coin, click on it, and you just need to follow the on-screen steps. Now, to be speaking, it will require you to enter the address itself and choose the network that you want to make the transfer. Obviously, it's important that you need to make sure that the actual address is correct. So go ahead and double check that. Now, by the way, in order for you to proceed with this one, you need to verify yourself. So go ahead and click on the Get Verified button here. Follow the on-screen steps in order for you to make the verification. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.